Have you ever looked at a worksite and wondered why some workers wear different colored hard hats? Most people may think that it may come down to a personal preference based on what color the worker likes and how well the hard hat fits. But workers wear these colored hard hats for a specific reason. What's up everyone, I'm Brooklyn with JJ Safety, and today we're going to decode the hard hat color code. There are 9 different colored hard hats. Let's discuss what these colors symbolize. A white hard hat is typically worn by supervisors, engineers, foremen, or managers. A yellow hard hat is typically worn by general workers and earth movers. A blue hard hat can be worn by carpenters, technical workers, and electricians. A brown hard hat can be worn by welders and workers working with high heat. A green hard hat is typically worn by safety inspectors or officers, but can sometimes be used for new workers. An orange hard hat is typically worn by road crew workers. A red hard hat is worn by fire marshals. A gray hard hat is worn by site visitors. And a pink hard hat is typically worn by workers who forget their hard hat or by female workers. Now that we know the hard hat color code, why is it important? Hard hat colors are used as a way to convey certain information about the person who is wearing the hard hat. The information conveyed can include identity of the wearer's role, accident reduction as some colors increase visibility and alert others of personnel position, enhance efficiency by helping identify the personnel of a specific type which reduces time spent looking for a specific person, safety improvement by aiding in identifying a work type, and the hard hat color code helps enable management to distinguish and designate work for workers on site. The hard hat color code is a useful tool when on the work site. However, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration has guidelines for hard hat use, but does not have any rules that include what colors should be worn on the job. Even though hard hat color codes have not been standardized, most large general contractors and construction companies follow the same color coding method. All right, everyone, that's all we got for you today. If you learned something new or found value in today's video, make sure to like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.
For more information, visit us online at jjsafetyllc.com or call us at 866-627-3850.